In just a few minutes, you will clearly understand the difference between language and literature. So let's get started. So we are going to examine the points one by one, the difference between language and literature. First, we'll see what is language. Language involves a system of communication. This system of communication involves words, sounds, and rules of grammar. On the other hand, literature involves the use of language in an artistic way. Literature conveys a human experiences, emotions, and ideas. Language is used to express ideas, thoughts, and feelings of people. Now, the aim or the purpose or the objective of literature is to entertain, inspire, or educate. The nature of language is practical and functional. On the other hand, literature is creative. It involves imagination. Now, we have some examples of language like English, German, French, Hindi. These are different examples of language. Language also involves speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Now, examples of literature like poems, short stories, novels, and essays are examples of literature. Language has structure. It involves vocabulary, pronunciation, and communication. On the other hand, literature involves style, themes, storytelling, and artistic expression. In short, language is the tool which is used by people to communicate with others, and literature is the art that is created by using language. We need language to create literature, and literature enriches and develops language. I hope that you have understood the key differences between language and literature. That's all for today. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content, and bye.